All right, here's the Common Curriculum Planner. Now imagine this is embedded directly into your Canvas course so students can see it without ever leaving Canvas. And here it is. You can see you're now in Canvas. You're embedding this into Canvas. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to create your website. So you go to Settings and go to Class Websites. And from there, you create the website. Choose what class course you want. In this case, physics. And I'm showing the units. And once you've done that, you've decided to go back to your day view, and you're going to choose what it is you want to be showing. So notice this is visible on class website. That comes from this icon right here, showing class website. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose which parts you want to make available. And then once you've done that, you go back and you're going to grab this web code. So you come here to the classroom websites and see this part right here, which is copy the embed code. So you can click and copy that. Once you've done that, you're going to create a page. So let's just go to view here so you can see. I'm just going to create a page. And as a page, I'm just going to call this agenda test run for video. And I do not paste here. If I pasted here, oops, if I pasted the code here, this is what it would look like. That's not what you want, okay? You're not trying to publish that. Instead, you want the code. So you come over here to the code, click on it. Now you've got this, all right? And check, it has a division tag and an end division tag. So it's open and closed. You have your style with your height, etc. Now this part right here, this padding, you can change this padding to make what's being shown more or less. So the higher the number, the more you're going to see with this padding. Right? And at this point, you can then, when you click here, now you see the view. All right? You can make this page, save and publish, and you can make that page either a front page, or you can make it so that it lives on the side here. So if you wanted a side view here, you could use the Canvas redirect tool and then embed it. All right. Next thing you might want to know, I'm going to cancel that because I'm not really creating the page. All right. The next thing you might want to know is, what if you wanted to default to the day? That is, you modify the code just a little bit. So you can see I have the padding bottom. I've set that to 100%. But also, you'll see on the SRC, on the URL, I added %perspective equals day. And that allows the kids to see the day view. Now they can change it to a week view. They can change it to the unit view. They'll have control of that, all right? And you've chosen what's to show up. So here's what it looks like in Common Curriculum. And this is what it looks like embedded into Canvas. And now parents, students, staff, everybody can see what you need. One last little trick and tidbit is I actually put the links to the assignments in the Common Curriculum. But be careful because, you know, the course numbers change every year. So watch that carefully. If the next year, just remember to update your links. And that's it.